In this video, you'll learn how to create a free website, complete with a free domain name and free hosting. This process is straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few steps using WordPress.com. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site's page. Open your web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for a button or link that says Get Started or Create a Site. This will direct you to the section where you can add a new website. After that, locate and click on the option that says Add New Site. This button is typically found prominently on the page. Once clicked, you will be taken to a new screen where you can begin the process of creating your website. Next, click on the option labeled Create with AI. This feature will guide you through the setup process using artificial intelligence. After selecting this option, a loading indicator may appear as the system prepares your new site, which can take a few moments. Once the AI setup process is complete, you will see a message stating, "Make a website as unique as you." At this point, you can input specific information about the type of website you want to create. For example, you might type in, "Create a flight booking app," to specify your website's purpose. After entering your desired website type, the AI will respond with a prompt asking, "What's your main goal for your website?" Take a moment to reflect on your website's objectives and enter your response in the provided text box. Next, you will be presented with suggestions based on your input. Choose one of the options provided by the AI and type it into the prompt. This will help refine the AI's understanding of your needs and preferences. Following this, you will see a message asking for the title that should appear in the browser tab. This title typically reflects your app or brand name. Enter the desired website title into the designated field. Then you will be prompted to provide a short site description or tagline, ideally around 10 to 20 words. This description will be displayed in search results and social previews, so ensure it accurately represents your website. After typing your short description, press the Enter key to submit your input. The system may take a moment to process this information, during which you may see a confirmation message. At this point, you will see a message confirming the details that will be used to build your site. Review this information to ensure everything is correct before moving on. Next, click on the button that says Create My Site. This action will initiate the final setup process for your website. A loading screen may appear, indicating that your site is being created. Once you see the message, please wait. Your site is brewing. This means the system is actively working on generating your website. This process may take some time, depending on various factors such as server load and your internet speed. After a brief waiting period, you will see a message indicating this site is generating. This confirms that the process is ongoing and you should remain patient as the system completes the setup. Finally, wait for your site to finish generating. You will receive a notification when the process is complete, allowing you to access your new website. Make sure to keep an eye on the screen for updates during this time. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.